Hello and welcome to LeadQuizzes, number one AI quiz maker for marketers. This is Hamad, your customer success manager. What to do if you need your lead data in a spreadsheet? Well, let me show you how we can do it. From your dashboard, you can either go to the quiz and select report from the top menu, or you can go directly from the dashboard reports. Once you're in the reports, you go to responses, select the date range that you would like your data to come from, and it'll show you all the leads, all the responses that you have during this time. Once you have all the responses, select all and export. Enter your email address to get the CSV file download in your email. Once you do that, you'll have your check your email inbox and you'll get export. Download the export CSV file, open the file in Excel or Google Sheet. You'll have your file. You can use this for client reports, advanced segmentation, or importing into your system. You'll see all the captured data in this sheet, including names, email address, answers to every question, quiz completion time, result they received, and even custom fields data. You can export all the data or filter by date range first. Your data is always yours to download anytime. Your lead data is now ready for analysis or campaign you need. Still have any questions? Just reply or book a quick call. I'm here to help you succeed. Start building your quiz with lead quizzes and watch your leads and your business grow faster. Thank you.